How to restore deleted contact on your Android device. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app on your phone and find the Google settings, or open the Google app. Tap on a Google. Here you can see different Google settings. Now tap on a all services option. Now you can see different section, autofill, device setting. Scroll down and tap on a setup and restore option. Now here you can find the restore contact option that will help you to backup your deleted contact. Tap on a restore contacts. Now here you can see your backup email ID, so make sure sign in with your Google account. Now tap on a restore option to restore your deleted contact or backup contact even you forgot. Now unlock your picture device. Now you can see tap on a restore option. When you can drop button, you can see option your email ID or this device only. Select the option. Here we select the email ID. Now you can see restoring contact restore 591 contact restore to your Gmail ID. Tap on a done. So quite easy to restore your deleted contact using your Google account. That's it. Please like it, share it.